came to a gun range to find out.
I'm going to show you exactly how tough our locks really are.
Rick's shooting at this lock from 40 feet with this badass gun loaded with .357 Magnum ammunition. Can the lock withstand a barrage of bullets? Yes, those bullets bounce off that lock like Superman. So let's raise the stakes with an AR-15.
So this lock took a direct hit right into the center of the mechanism, right in the chamber of the lock. It took direct hits to the chain link itself. Bullets going over 3,000 feet per second could not penetrate any point of this lock. That's why these locks are the absolute toughest in the world.